Salam. Today we're going to be making desi donut holes, Gulab Jamun. Gulab Jamun are milk dough balls that are fried, then added to a sweet syrup. And what's great is that the sweet syrup slowly absorbs into the Gulab Jamun, making it even more sweeter. For the Gulab Jamun, you're going to need 2 cups of milk powder, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons semolina, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter or ghee, half a cup of milk, and enough vegetable oil to fill half a pot for frying. For the sweet syrup, you'll need 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of water, 3 to 4 green cardamoms, a pinch of saffron, and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. So you can make your own milk solids by evaporating milk, but it takes a really long time. It's really finicky and I don't think it's worth it. Using milk powder is easier, faster, and tastes the same. First, melt the ghee on medium for 1 minute, then set aside. Next, in a bowl, add the milk powder, all-purpose flour, semolina, and baking powder and whisk together. Add the melted ghee and knead everything. While you're mixing everything together, add the milk a little bit at a time until it's incorporated into the dough. Once it gets to about here, cover and let rest for 15 minutes. After, shape into half-inch balls. The Gulab Jamuns shouldn't have cracks, but if they do, you can add more milk as needed. This should make about 20 gulabs. Now to fry them. In a pot, add the vegetable oil on medium until it gets to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Gently add the balls one at a time, then fry these for 5 minutes until they turn golden brown. Here is where they'll grow in size, but make sure to stir it up a little bit so that they don't stick to the bottom of the pot like mine did. Take out and set aside. Onto the syrup. In another pot, add the sugar and water on medium-high. In about 5 minutes, it should start to boil. Then add the cardamoms and saffron, cover, turn to low, and simmer for another 5 minutes. The syrup should be at a loose consistency. At the end, turn off the heat, add the lemon juice, and mix. Now we'll add back the Gulab Jamuns into the syrup, then they'll go to sleep overnight in the fridge. Bismillah! Oh yeah, these are way better than your regular donut holes. Soft on the inside as it melts in your mouth, and sweet on the outside from the syrup. The only negative is that it can get a little sticky. Oh, and to restrain yourself from eating too many of these at once.